One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Haven't had as many videos lately, but I'll have quite a few coming up. We got a lot of new stuff in all over the place. This here is a 1995. Check the title. Could be a year newer. Pretty close to the last year of a Chevy G20 van in this body style. I definitely like the older body styles like this, and this one's pretty dang clean. I'm gonna go around it, do the once around, show you everything. Then we'll go up close and show you any minor damages, stuff like that. It's in really good shape. You should see about 50-60 pictures on my website, oneownercarguy.com. Make sure and check out my other videos. Lots of stuff for sale. Got an 06 Ford coming up, and I got another Chevy Sport van coming up. That's a really nice passenger model. So got quite a few vans right now, and this one's clean. So that's the deal. Nathan, 406-546-8748. You can reach me anytime, and I'm gonna go around and show you this thing and any damages on it that you can see. Just rock chips, a couple of them, and a ding right there. Got a dent right there. Just crinked it. It's got a very nice set of tires. Look at all that tread, man. Just deep tread, little titties all over the side. Beautiful wheels and dog dish hubcaps. Underneath this truck, van, it's in great shape, clean. So you can see that. I'll zoom in up there. It's a clean van. Bumpers are in good shape. A little bit of a bend on this one, because it sticks out just a little bit farther here than it does there. So one side or the other is off. A little dent or something there. And it's missing the emblem on the front. A couple more little chips. And these could be painted if you really wanted to. We didn't do that. A little scrape here. Here. And here. A little paint missing. There was a logo on the door, and somebody painted over it a little bit instead of taking it off. So that is what it is, and really hard to tell at first, but it's there. Dings in this, ding in that, ding. A little scrape here, and a little scrape here with some dingy doos, and they put somebody rotted out the whole thing there, so they put this on there, and I left it open to where I could open the van up, but it locks and closes, keeps the van locked. A couple little places the paint's coming off here, a little chip there. These tires, though, I'm telling you, just a chunk of rubber, man. And up in these wheel wells, it's in great shape. Great shape. Little scratch here, scrape, paint coming off right there, and this van door is just a little open more than you'd like. Bumpers, great shape. Underneath this thing, it's very clean. That's all there is to say about it. It's a clean van. And then coming around this side, coming around the mountain when she comes, it's clean. And I've said that quite a few times. But it's an older van, and a little chip there, a little ding, 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 and dings. It's getting rare to find them. In good clean shape. A couple more little tiny dings. And same thing on the door here. Well, that's that. Okay, so that's your once around, twice around, and all that. It's in good shape. It's a nice van. Up here, tiny little rock chips have caused there to be corrosion a little bit starting on the paint. And most of it buff right off. But there is little chips there, so they come back. So that's your outside. I'll go ahead and show you the inside, and we're going to go around and do a test drive, and I'll be back with you in a second. oneownercarguy.com. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. The back of the van is in great shape. This thing's clean. Somebody put a carpet kit type thing in here, laid some carpet in it. It's got a rubber mat underneath it. Sides are in good shape. It's a clean unit. For sure, there's some paneling on that side. But overall, super clean little van. I've said that a lot during this review. Got a headache rack in it, which is really nice. Won't smash yourself or something. All right, different time of the day. Taking another video here to show you how it looks in the evening. And it's got a nice look no matter what time of the day it is. And I'll do a once around like this, and then we'll go ahead and show you the inside. I took pictures of it already. And we'll go for a test drive. I'll probably do that in the morning. It's getting chilly again, and so weird spring weather. We ain't got no rain, ain't got no snow, so getting some cars detailed. In fact, this Cadillac's coming up next. Rich took the Benz home. Fury 3's coming up. We got some cars coming up, so that's the deal. Okay, that's the rounded again. 406-546-8748. Name's Nathan. Call me anytime. Inside, door panel is non-existent because they don't have them. That's in good shape though. Everything's there. A little rip on the seat, could use a seat cover or something. But the foam's pretty good except for that chunk. Back of the seat's in good condition. That one's got a cover on it. What do you know? 171,917. It's got a screen in it and stuff. Roof and everything is in good shape. Weather guard, headache rack. Heather, got a fire extinguisher, and it's good actually. So that's that. I'm gonna pop the hood here. Is that the hood? No, it's over here. And really clean van under the hood. I said clean, clean, clean as much as you can imagine, but it's a good little van and runs down the road real strong and nice. And that's under your hood for you. It is a 305 5.0. That's that. All right, so you seen that? Look at that tread on these tires, man. I'm telling you, it's just freaking amazing. And inside's clean. It is a clean. I sure have said that a lot. Can't help it. It's just so clean. There's a build sheet still in there. Rubber mats through the whole thing. This one's been covered up. I wonder how it looks under there. Oh, wow. Only a piece of tape there. Actually in pretty good shape. I think this should have been over there, to be quite honest. Airport deploy. Huh? Cool to blow it out if you have an airbag in it. Okay, that's the interior. There you go. Windows sweep. Getting dry and cracked. And that's about the outside. We're going to go for a test drive, but I just like to try and show everything and think about if I'm showing everything. If there's anything on this van that there's to be seen, no surprises when you get it. I believe I've shown it. Let's go for a test drive. All right, good van. This puppy fires right up. No warning lights or anything. I ain't got much gas in this thing at all. It does have an airbag. Flashes at startup. There's no issue. It doesn't. I'm gonna wait until this traffic goes. This road's pretty bad. I don't like pulling out in front of them and then pulling over really quick. It's an SWM is the name brand of that there stereo, and that's all I forgot. Let's see, this thing got glued on there but not straightened out. Does that work? It does not work with the door. It does not work with the switch, so bulbs out on that. And dash is all it's cracked up to be, but it's not all cracked up. It's in good shape. Nice, great shape dash. I don't know, I think that's supposed to have a cover on it. And that's about it. Okay, let's pull out here. Now this thing drives, runs, and shifts, stops great. Plenty of power. And it's got the 4-speed overdrive. There we go. Oh, there's some rocks stuck in my tires. Just throwing them off there. Okay, well that's a test drive. And I'll get on a little bit going on this. Goes down the road nice. It does pull to the right just a little bit. There's probably a pitman arm or something needs to play. The steering wheel is off just a little bit. So maybe they bumped into a curb or something. But drives down the road nice. A little cracked chip in the windshield right there. One right there. So there's a couple little chips in the windshield I want to make sure to tell you about. Look at all that Fox block, man. Fox block. All this cool bumpers and stuff out here. Man, we got all kinds of stuff for sale. All kinds of cool old trucks. Make sure to call Nathan, 406-546-8748. All kinds of neat stuff for sale. In fact, we just bought a nursery. Pretty much all the oh, let's say a good chunk of it, chemicals and everything. And even got another, this Dodge we pulled out, but I got another Dodge over here. That's a, nope. Thing turns on a dime. It is a nice rig. I'm gonna put it right here. You know what, I'm gonna pull to that spot. Oh, I'm glad I did. To where you get to hear the backup alarm. That could be unhooked if that's not your style of thing. But for right now, I left it because it's on it. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna get out and tell you goodbye. Just for the heck of it. Thought I'd start it up again for you. Right now, baby. 151 or something on the windshield right there. I could get that taken off for you also. That's the deal. That's your van. A little bit where there's wear there. That is a discoloration of the paint. That is everything, man. That's all about this van. Nathan, 406-546-8748. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Call me anytime. And check out my website there and subscribe. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com.